Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. As you can see, Mookie has her sombrero on, so that can only mean one thing. Whoa, Mookie. As you can see, Mookie has her sombrero on, so that can only mean one thing. It's Taco Tuesday. So we're gonna head out and get some tacos. We're gonna go to the world famous Red Mile right here in Calgary, Alberta. And I believe the name of the bar is called the Whiskey Rose, and they have a wonderful happy hour with tacos and chips and guac and very low highballs. Well, I guess that's that for Mookie's sombrero. Anyways, I'll show you the drink I made really quickly here. I've already mixed it up. It's called a Captain's Grog, and I'm getting this from Smuggler's Cove. Written by Martin Cate, who also owns Smuggler's Cove Tiki Bar in San Francisco. So again, this is called a Captain's Grog. Now he's getting this from the Captain's Inn in Long Beach, California. It says this hearty blend will help you keep you on an even keel. I guess it's sort of like a play on words with the captain. Anyways, the origin again is Captain's Inn, Long Beach, California, circa 1962, and he's sourcing beach bum berries, and then this drink is adapted by Smuggler's Cove. So I'll just put the recipe up on the screen. So we got 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1/2 ounce of fresh grapefruit juice, 1/2 ounce of grade A maple syrup, 3 drops of vanilla extract, 3 drops of pure almond extract, 1 ounce of seltzer, 1/2 ounce of curacao, 3/4 ounces of black blended rum, 3/4 ounces of blended lightly aged rum, and 3/4 ounces of blended aged rum, and 1/2 ounce of Falernum. What's that, Mookie? Well, I'm glad you asked. Mookie wants to know what the heck is Falernum. We'll take a look at what diffordsguide.com says about Falernum. It says Falernum, pronounced fə-LUR-nəm, so phonetically spelled it's F-A-H-L-E-A-R-N-U-M, so Falernum. Is a sweet liqueur from Barbados. Syrupy in consistency, Falernum is always made with lime and sugar, but is usually also flavored with ingredients such as cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, and almonds. Often used in cocktails, Falernum can be clear or have a light green, yellow, and golden amber tint. So the history of Falernum. Falernum is believed to date back to the 1700s Barbados, where it was made at sugar estate distilleries, with each estate having its own recipe. However, early recipes are thought to have simple compromised rum, sugar, and lime, so basically a classic punch. And as with the punch, the alcoholic strength was low, just enough alcohol to act as a preservative. Tradition dictates that a punch has a touch of spice, and the addition of spices to Falernum is thought to have been introduced at the point of difference between producers, perhaps when Falernum started to be bottled commercially. It says Charles Dickens refers to Falernum in his 1892 book, All the Year Round. Okay, and then it goes on and on. Okay, so that is what Falernum is, and it went into my Captain's Grog. So coming up next, we're going to do Taco Tuesday on the Red Mile. Check it out. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar, Taco Tuesday edition. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says, Urgh. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki.